finally have a room of your own? Take care of Mother. Don't let her carry the water from the well by herself. All right?
Come on, boy. We can make it. That's it. Easy. There. Easy enough. Smell trouble.
It's you!
You lost some weight since I saw you last. Guess that job I did on your eye was to cut down on the people eating, huh?
Ever since you blinded me, a day hasn't gone by where I haven't dreamt of tasting your flesh.
You know, you should find a different line of work.
Like what? I'm a blind cyclops for crying out loud.
You could hire yourself out to a village as a protector. Even a blind cyclops would scare most folks off. And the villagers would probably toss you a sheep every now and again for payment.
Sheep? How can you start eating mutton when you're used to human flesh?
Suit yourself.
Xena was spotted riding toward the Strymon Pass.
Hector, take 2 men to cut through the pass. Pick up her trail and send word as soon as she's entered her home valley. We'll march right into Amphipolis and torch everything in sight. Spread the word that we're doing it on Xena's orders. Then she'll know.
Know what?
There's no rest for the wicked.
The bridge will hold me up. The bridge will hold me up. The bridge will hold me up. Being an adventuress isn't that hard.
Gotcha!
Immortal Father Zeus in heaven, curse this brute if he eats me. Torture him with the slain serpent's blood and the crow's droppings.
Shut up! I hate chatty food.
I know Xena, the warrior princess.
I hate Xena the warrior princess. She blinded me. It'll give me great pleasure to rip one of her friends apart with my teeth.
Friends? Who said anything about friends? I've been tracking her to kill her.
How's a young thing like you gonna kill Xena?
That's the point. She'd never let a man get close enough to do her. At least not that kind of do her. But a young, innocent-looking girl like me, I'll catch her totally off guard. Cut her evil throat and hack off her Cyclops' blinding hands.
You're really gonna mess her up, huh?
You know what I think I'll do to her?
What?
Blind her.